Repair or replace, upgrade your favorite lamp with this reliable and stylish lamp cord. Replace a worn-out cord and bring new life to your favorite fixtures. Long power cord. An extra long 8 feet cord offers incredible versatility to accommodate a wide range of installations and uses. The brown finish complements many existing interiors and design styles. Easy to install. Installation is a breeze. Instructions are included, so you can install your new lamp cord in minutes. Do it yourself. Use this lamp cord on a variety of fun DIY projects. From arts and crafts to lighting and electronics, lamp cords are an exciting way to make something by hand and learn about wiring. Safety. This unit is UL listed and has a maximum electrical rating of 125X/10A/1250 watts. This cord should not be used with bulbs exceeding 300 watts. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent replacement cord. It was easy to install and I was concerned since I hadn't replaced a cord in over 40 years. The instructions were easy. I should have photographed the lamp, so I could immediately put the parts in the correct order. That was my fault. Glad I purchased this cord, as my lamp is over 45 years old and bought at a store that no longer exists. Made my treasured lamp usable again.